Hi, DawnDamico, content marketing strategist, helping Keller Williams agents take command of their business. Have you met Kelle? Now let me ask you this. Have you, as a real estate agent, ever been out in the community talking to people, taking notes on the back of envelopes and business cards, only to discover that the moment you want to retrieve that information, it's lost somewhere deep in the crevices of your purse or under your seat, or lost for good? Well, Kelle could be your answer to circumstances just like that, because as you are out there, she will actually add contacts to your command database, because Kelle and command are friends, right? So it's really easy to do, and let's talk about that. Now, first of all, you want to make sure that you have the most recent version of Kelle app on your phone. It's a good idea, especially in these earlier stages, to make sure that you update that app on your phone about once a week. So go ahead and add that to your calendar as something that you do. Second of all, when you are out and about, using her to input people into your database is really quite simple. All you need to do is open the app and then do this. Hey Kelle, add John Smith to my database. And just like that, Kelle's gonna do her thing and add John Smith to your database. And then she's gonna give you the opportunity to add even more information to that contact, such as email and telephone and any notes or anything like that. Now, here's a little tip. I am actually horrible at, typing on my phone. I am literally all thumbs, but very slow thumbs. So what I do instead is I use voice recognition, and it's really quite simple. So all you need to do, let's say you want to add that telephone number to the contact card, just go ahead and click on the little microphone and say, and do the spin thing like the Vegas slot machine, to choose what kind of phone number you're going to be putting in, and then it's as simple as this: 252-555-1212. And there you go. She will go ahead and add that telephone number to the contact card for that person. And then it gets even better, because what if you have a last name of a person that is kind of difficult? You can go ahead and just spell it out. Now here's one more thing to know about Kelle. She is not like some exotic fine wine that you put on the shelf and you wait until the perfect time to take her down and enjoy her. She's more like a catcher's mitt. The more you use her, the better she gets. So I encourage you to get in the habit of using the Kelle app for your business as you're out and about, because you, number one, are going to get in the habit of going to her for some important steps of your business. And as you are doing that, she's going to get better with her AI technology. And that's going to make it better for all of us. That's all for today, and I hope that was helpful. Once again, this is DawnDamico, content marketing strategist, helping Keller Williams agents take command of their business. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.